Hello everyone, let's try to understand the concept of overfitting and underfitting. Simply, overfitting means that learning too much on the training data, whereas underfitting is simply like there is no learning at all. These are the two extreme cases that our model don't want to be either overfitted or underfitted. Let's try to take some graph and we can see the case of overfitting and underfitting. Let's say this is our X, that is our input, and the corresponding Y, that is output, and the data points are somewhat like this. For such kind of data points, if our hypothesis is changing for each and every point like this, then it is trying to fit the training data exactly, right? In such case, we say that our model is overfitting. And similarly, like if we take the other extreme, that given the data, if our model is not checking how the data is, it is just drawing some random line like this, which is very different from the points that we are having. In such case, this kind of line is underfitting. This is simply about overfitting and underfitting. And in general, there are two terms that you will see while discussing about this specific task, that is variance and bias. Bias is nothing but error. Variance is like you can simply think with the change in data points how our hypothesis is changing. So that is what variance is signifying. That is about variance and bias. What they mean is, obviously by saying this itself, we can understand that if there is high variance, then it will automatically like somewhat leads to overfitting. Basically, whenever there is high variance, there is some kind of low bias. So that's why in this case, we say that our model is overfitting. And similarly, in case of underfitting, what happens? We'll be having very low variance and similarly high bias. Our error is very high. In such case, we say that our model is underfitting. So this is about overfitting and underfitting. If you want more details, you can check out the linked video on this particular shot.